Okay, some of you had some concerns about getting your minutes in Beanstack for reading 20 minutes each night. So I'm going to review how you submit those minutes. You're going to go to Bookmarks. You're going to go to Clever Portal. In Clever Portal, you're going to select Beanstack. When you get into Beanstack, it will look like this. And you want to go up to the button that says Log Reading. Then you want to select Minutes. All you have to do to log your minutes is select today's date, or if you forgot, let's say we forgot to log our minutes yesterday, so we pick the date that we did our reading, 20 minutes, type the title of the book that you're reading, whatever it might be, and then hit the log button. So again, that's log reading, minutes, select a date, 20 minutes, the title, and then hit log reading. You should be reading 20 minutes each night, every school night. So at the end of the week, there should be about 100 minutes, 20 for each night.